Hey y'all, what's up? Today's video is going to be how I refresh an old wash and go, so keep watching.
Hair and makeup is her game, Kedra Bell is her name. Follow her tutorials, she knows what she's talking about. Don't you dare start to pout. Follow her YouTube show. Subscribe, comment, make sure you hit follow. Makeup guru, always got your back.
Hey y'all, so I'm going to start unraveling my hair and kind of fluffing it out. I feel like this will help me get that desired volume when I go to try to define these curls and go in to diffuse it. So I'm going to shake, and then I'm going to go in with some oil my scalp. That's very vital, and still kind of fluff out my hair to kind of get it from that stiff look from sleeping on it. And this is the product that I'm going to use to refresh my curls. This stuff is amazing. I use it for my wash and go. It keeps my curls soft, it holds them, and it don't have that nasty, crunchy, flaky, tacky feeling. And it's amazing. The link is down below. Again, this product is, I recommend it's 10 out of 10. So I'm gonna go in on more so on this side and then the back side of my hair, because that's where it's the most frizziest. I'm not going to too much touch the front of my hair on the other side because I still like how those curls look, so I'm just going to leave them alone. I don't want to do too much. So yeah, as you see, I'm not going to touch that. Now I'm going to go in and crunch and put product on my bang. And yeah, so next I'm going to sleek these edges down. I'm going to use that Aloe curl jelly again, because if my hair do curl up, it's not going to have that nasty crunchy look. It's actually going to be nice and sleek. So I actually using that for my edges, and I'm gonna define this little part too to add a little razzle dazzle in case I decide to tuck my hair behind my ear. So yes, my hair is a little damp, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil on my ends so that way I can diffuse it and don't get no heat damage. So yeah, so here it is. And if you want, just try to get your desired look, desired side, you want your bang and all that, and then go in with the diffuser. I'm going to focus more so on the bottom. This way it can just really hold that curl that I want. So yeah, just focus more on the bottom, and I'm gonna do this for about 5 minutes or less because honestly my hair is not that wet, so I don't have to do it that long. And plus, girl, I gotta get ready for work and get my baby ready for daycare, so nobody got time for that. So yeah, so just go in and diffuse to your desired dryness, or however dry you want it. I'm gonna do about like 95% dry. So yes, once I finish with that, I'm gonna still play with it and kind of go over parts that are still a little damp. And as you see, those curls are coming together. They're nice and juicy, and they're not that dry and stiff like they were when I first unraveled it. Okay, and this is the finished look, and then you can play with it, tuck it behind your ear, do what you want, girl. Shake, see that body? Yes, girl, go ahead with your bad self. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and my space pose. Ow.